Ladies, do you know that you are actually being tracked by the applications that you're using on your phone, especially those that are usually used to track your cycle? You give out data, and especially when you're installing, there is that where you just accept without reading anything. So part of whatever is inside there is they can use your data for whatever reason they want to use that for. I remember there was a lady who knew that she is pregnant from the ads she was getting on the websites out there. And even the recommendations of the videos that when you go to that application, you know, where you start getting videos that are being suggested based on your condition. That's how she went to test and she got that she's pregnant, and she knew nothing about it until now when she went back to the applications. And no, the app get to know that, yeah, you're getting your menses this time, or you're not getting your menses based on how you input the data. You say, hey, I'm not getting your menses, or maybe, or when you start getting your menses, that's when you put in that, hey, today is the first day of my menses, so that it's able to calculate your safe days. This is the reason I initially teach you how to calculate your safe days manually without having to rely on the applications or that. But you know, applications, they are good, they make the work easier because they'll just notify you when it's safe, when it's not. But it's actually very good for you to just continue your data within you without having to give everyone your information. Okay, I do agree that sometimes collecting data can be helpful. Like I remember there's a study which was being done on a menstrual synchrony, and part of what they were using, the data were being collected from the applications, the apps that are out there. So they collect and accumulate a lot of data from so many women out there, and they can use that data to do whatever they want. So don't be amazed when you mention something, or maybe you just do something, and then you right around come to TikTok, and you so find, maybe you meet a video that just happened to be what you are talking about. So yeah, this is part of what we actually give out on daily basis. Even talking, a TV can listen, especially the smart TV. There's a button somewhere in a switch where you either switch the microphone on or off. In this world that we're living in, data is everywhere, and data can just do almost anything. So that's why we have something like Data Protection Act in Kenya, which is helping you to keep the data within the safe hands and giving the repercussions to those who so happen to misuse the data that you're giving out. Anyway, see you in the next video.